Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm putting on my Miss Emojis jacket and we are going into the classroom. So what are we learning today? We're learning multiplication. Who's excited? I am excited and I know you're excited as well. So we're going to be learning simple tips and hacks to solving multiplication problems. Let's go. Now, what is the objective of our lesson today? First is to learn the basic definition of multiplication. Now, what does Miss Emoji means? It means we are going to be learning how to define multiplication. What is multiplication? Now, the second objective is to learn how to solve basic multiplication. Miss Emoji is going to be teaching us simple tips and hacks to make multiplication easy for us when we're solving it. So at the end of today's lesson, we should be able to 1. Define what multiplication is, 2. Solve basic multiplication problem. Are you ready? Let's go. Remember, our first objective is to define multiplication. Now, what is multiplication? Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. Another key word we can use for number is couple. Now I'm going to rephrase that. Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a couple of times. Capish? I know this sounds a little bit tricky. It looks hard. But by the time we master the tricks and hacks to solving multiplication problem, you find out that multiplication is just as easy as A, B, C. So put on your dictative helmet and let's find out together the tricks and hacks to solving multiplication. The first hack is to know how to represent multiplication. How do we represent multiplication? We represent multiplication with the symbol X. X, like Wakanda forever, like the X-Men sign. So we use the X to represent multiplication. The second hack is how multiplication works. We need to find out how it works. If you do not know how something works, you are likely not to get results. The first thing you need to know about how multiplication works is to find out the number in each group. Second, our X sign. Third, the number of groups equals to our answer. Now I'm going to represent it on my screen. Now look at my screen. You see that we have the number in each group multiplied by the number of groups equals to our answer. Hack number 3 is to remember that there has to be the same number in each group. All the numbers in the group have to be the same thing. Now, what is Miss Emoji saying? Let's take an example. Mom wants you to wash the socks that you wore on Monday and Tuesday. How do we solve this multiplication? Remember that previously we've said that the things to look out when solving multiplication is 1. Number in each group. Now, how many socks do we have in a group of socks? Or let me use a keyword, pair of socks. How many? 2. Correct. You are very correct. We have 2 socks in a pair of socks. Now, what do? We write down our 2. The number in each group of socks is 2. So let's write down our 2. Multiplied or times number of the group. Now, how many groups do we have? 2 groups, Monday and Tuesday, which makes 2 groups. So we have 2 times 2. Now let's skip count. 2, 4. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. Easy peasy. Yeah. Now let's try bigger number, still using our socks. Mom wants us to wash all the socks we've worn from Monday to Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Remember, the first thing we are going to do is what? Fantastic! The number in each group. How many socks do we have in one group? In one pair. Another keyword we can use is pair. Another keyword we can use is set. So how many socks do we have in one group of socks? We have 2, right? So can we write down our 2? Followed by our multiplication sign, which is the times, the x sign. So let's write down our x. The third thing to do is the number of group. Now, how many groups do we have all together? 5. Fantastic. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we have 5 groups all together. Fantastic. Now, what do we have in our books? We have 2 times 5 equals. Now, what's our final answer? Now, let's skip count together to find our final answer. We're going to skip count 2 in 5 places. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Good job. So 2 times 5 equals 10. You see, multiplication is easy peasy. Thank you. That was interesting, right? I know. All right, do you know what you're going to do for Miss Emoji? You're going to solve other multiplication problems using the simple steps that I've taught you in this video, and tell me in the comment section how you did it. I'll be waiting. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was inspiring. I hope this video helped you to understand the basic concept of multiplication. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, quickly do so by clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I get to post new videos. And remember to like this very video and drop your comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye.